everyone, welcome to my channel. So today I have done a Durga Puja and Navratri makeup look. So this is actually a daytime makeup look that you can easily carry in the daytime. So I have done very simple basic makeup, and also it is looking very attractive and beautiful. So this can easily carried by a teenager girls, and also a newly married girl can also carry this type of look. So keeping in thought, I have created this. So this is actually a Ashtami look for Anjali. Whenever we go at that time, we usually wear red saris, and we wear sari most of the time during Ashtami in the daytime in Anjali. So by thinking that, I have created this look. So without any further talk, let's start with the video.
Here I'm using Maybelline Superstay Full Coverage Foundation. You can use any foundation you have. And if you want to buy this shade, then it is 128 Warm Nude. Very good foundations, easily blendable and pretty high coverage. So here I'm using a pack concealer in the shade Butterscotch. If you want to buy this, definitely you can buy this one, or otherwise you can use any concealer you are having. So concealer usually brighten up your eyes, and if you have any dark circle it will cover that also. And here I'm using a loose powder above my eyes so that I can blend my eyeshadow very easily. And now I'm going to use a eyebrow kit to draw my eyebrows. And my eyebrows are done now, and now I'm going to use a eyeshadow palette. So this is from Wet n Wild eyeshadow palette, and this is in the shade Rose in the Air. And here I'm going to take this brown shade and going to use it in the upper crease of my eyes, and here I'm blending it very softly. And now I'm going to use this dark shade because today I'm going to create a smoky eye. So I'm going to use this dark shade in my outer corner, and I'm going to blend this towards the inner corner of my eyes, and only I'm using this in the inner crease of my eyes to create that smoky eye look and that intense eye look. And here I'm using this shimmer shade and going to use it in the center and the inner corner of my eyes. So whenever you are going to do any smoky eye, always use a shimmer in the center and the inner corner of eyes, because it will make your eye look more brighter and more bigger. And now I'm taking the same brush that I have already used in the brown shade and going to blend it all together so that it looks seamlessly beautiful. And now I'm going to take the same shade and going to use it in the lower lash line area because it will brighten up my eye look. And here I'm using a kajal and using this kajal in the waterline of my area. And here I'm using a Maybelline Colossal black eyeliner, and this is in the form of a sketch pen, and I'm going to draw a wing eye with this eyeliner. So it's actually very helpful to draw a wing eye because it's like a sketch, so it has a very sharp edge. So my eyeliner is done now, and now I'm going to curl my lashes. And here I'm using a Maybelline mascara. It's a hyper curl mascara, and this is a washable one. So my mascara is done now, and I've also put on some lashes, and now I'm going to bronze my face. So here I'm using a Wet n Wild contour palette, and this is in the shade Dulce de Leche, and this is such a beautiful palette. The pigmentation is on point, and also it gives a very bronze, very beautiful bronze effect. I really love this palette. If you're looking for a good bronzer, definitely you can have this one. And also using that same bronzer to contour my cheekbones, nose, and also under the jaw lines so that it can cut my double chins. And here I'm using this Maybelline Fit Me blush, and this in the shade Rose 30. So this is such a beautiful blush. The pigmentation is on point, and it is like the much you take and the more it will look beautiful. This is a blush that you can use as much as you want and perfect for daytime. If you're looking for a pink soft blush, then definitely use this one. It's highly recommended from my end. And now I'm going to use a red lipstick, and this is from Maybelline, and this in the shade Red Carpet.
So if you like this look and if you want to see more makeup videos, lifestyle videos from me, then definitely subscribe to my channel and also hit the bell icon. Then you will get notified whenever I will upload any video on my channel. So till then, love you all, take care, bye bye, and see you in my next video.